Now when your body know when I go sabi go person, for me say I don't tire. I'm too stingy. You don't know when you dey. You go change for now. What's happen? What's happen?
What did I do this guy?
Stay here. What's it doing? What's up, guys? It's your girl Julie with the attitude that cures wahala, and I'm here today with my colleague
Funny Tina.
All right, guys, I'm here today with Funny Tina, and we are here with
Sunday Oloko.
We are here with Papa, Mr. Sunday Oloko. So please, can you tell them the reason why you contacted us?
We are here. I contacted you people to come and witness what is happening in my family, because I have a wife.
Okay.
The wife is late. The wife have 3 children. None of them is my children, but I want my property to go to them. The one that's honesty and good, I want the property to go to him. So I want to do exam now for the 3 of them. So anybody that pass the exam, we take care of the property.
So I want to know this property. What's this? When we talk about this property, which property they talk about?
I have a truck property, transportation. I'm a transportation person, so I have a lot of truck. I'm a truck driver too.
Okay. Oh, you drive too?
I'm a truck driver.
Papa is a hustler.
I'm a truck driver, yes.
Truck company, and you are still a driver.
I'm a truck driver by profession.
Wow.
So I have many things, and all these children, I asked them to learn this truck driving. They said no. If they go to overseas now, truck drivers, they are making it. They are making rich there. So I'm an old man. I cannot go to any Oyibo country to drive truck. But if there's opportunity, but it's not. I'm not praying for that now.
Okay, so why do you want, since they not be your children, why you want to share this and reach them?
Yeah, I want to share it for them because I don't have my own. So I have to give them, and they are my next of kin.
Okay.
Because of their mother, I love their mother very well. That is why I want to do this for them. Anyone that pass the exam, get this thing.
Guys, just stay tuned, because we don't know how the test is going to be. I'm thinking of, we don't know how the test is going to be, okay? We can change the test, we cannot change the test, because we've called about 2 of the sons now. Their numbers no they go. Yeah. But if get one particular one way, your number don't they go. He's on his way coming. We say, more quick rush this thing. Now. So guys, stay tuned, okay? This one where they come now, Papa, waiting be this one name.
John.
Okay, now John they come.
Yeah, it's John.
All right, guys. Stay tuned. Let's wait for John. Tracy, what do you have to say?
Yeah, let's wait for John.
So guys, let's wait for John. So stay tuned. We don't know what's coming out of all this, so stay tuned so that you go with us too. Okay guys, we are here. Which camera I want to use? That beg? I'm not gonna know the one we want to use. We'll use this one. Okay, let's face like this. So guys, we are here. Now here be the main thing. Now here everything one take happen. So as you can see, Papa don't take a position straight up. No time to waste. So stay tuned. Let's go there as we wait for John. No, John, anywhere you dey, be a good boy. No stress me. No stress yourself. Abi? No stress, Papa too. No stress, Papa. As you can see.
Now for your good.
Now for your good. If you stress us now, we don't get anything to lose. We don't get anything to get. So guys, stay tuned. Okay, let's just face this camera. We are using this camera. I'm distracted.
Stay tuned.
In case this side not too bright. Stay tuned, stay tuned. So we are using this whole camera so that these guys, guys they come, so that they don't go know what's up. Okay? Because they are coming here to meet us.
What's up?
Yes, he's coming. So guys, stay tuned. I want to put this for me. Okay. I'm feeling so bad. No, sit down like this. Man, sit down like this. Okay. We don't wait for you, sis. So.
What you going to be now? What's happening? Now when your body know when I go sabi go person, for me say I don't tire. I don't tire for this thing.
He's not feeling fine now. Your dad is not feeling fine. We have been
here. Every time as in I just did. Oh my God, just the ring since yesterday. What's happening, sir?
No, we are the one calling you. You should come and take care of your father now. We are tired.
When you call the sick, now they call me for phone. I know they like her. But they know they call me. This man too stingy. You don't know anything. You go take too stingy.
Bro, you're just calming down.
You don't know what I talk.
What did
You don't know what I talk. This man stingy to release money na problem. I know they like this thing.
No, no.
They're too stingy.
Brother, you
My
are
brother go use see our space. Wetin happen? I no wan die. Abeg no dey
Why
talk.
you dey stingy?
Wetin dey talk? You don't know what I talk. Be like see when you wan see yourself. When
Bro, wait now. You're just coming.
wetin happen? You wan block me?
Your papa no when now.
Where your phone sef?
Abeg,
Dad,
come on this phone.
Where your
Wait now.
I don't see
Your
how.
papa no when.
Where your
Just
phone?
dey come.
Where your phone? Where your ATM? This man too stingy. You too stingy.
Why you dey do that?
John,
stingy.
wait.
Wait.
John,
Stingy.
calm down.
Wait. Na because say this man not being born with that.
Oh yes, no, apart from saying no, this man too stingy.
I dey stingy.
He too.
Not this man take care of.
Where that phone? Where he ATM?
Not the man take care of.
I go check that phone now. Wetin happen? Wetin happen? Sef?
Oh,
Wetin happen?
no, I don't use my
What is-
Oga dey there.
Can you imagine?
Wetin happen?
What did I do this guy?
Stay here. Wait a minute. Stay here.
What did I do?
Stay here. Stay here. Stay. Stay.
What did I do you? Not be your papa. Not be your papa.
Let's stay here. Wait till
Lay down.
Stay here. Wait till
Wetin happen? Father, please.
I said, stay.
Lay down.
Stay here. Wait till do you.
What did I
Too
do you?
stingy. Too
Not be,
stingy.
not be,
Too
not be.
stingy.
Not be take care of you.
Too stingy.
Stingy
This man too stingy. This man stingy. To see if I get up here.
Okay.
If I get up here.
Relax. Let's cooperate.
Which corporate? Me, I
Make
don't
we
cooperate this
cooperate
man.
now.
Leave him, let him
I
go.
don't cooperate.
Leave him, let him go.
Keep going.
Go.
Stingy human being.
Let him go.
Very stingy man.
Jesus.
That's
Why
your
not?
reward. Let him go. That's your reward. Let him
This one from that place. Come here. Comfort.
go.
God.
Let him go. That's his reward.
Hey.
Some people get drama.
It's part of the exam that I said.
Jesus. Papa. Now you born this one.
Let him go. Let him go.
Now you born this one.
You can see. That was a witness.
That means they don't just like the man.
This one just come now. Your papa no way.
Papa Ben not better fiance. Like how many years maybe say like they maybe say they marry their mother.
They like the other one. They like 7 years. The other one is 5 years. This very one is 3 years. And look
Can
at
you
it.
imagine?
It's not a big
So
deal.
what person?
He said that I'm singing. If I'm singing, he would have not died since.
If you are stingy,
Even if he's stingy, see let me tell you something. There are men who say they not fit marry woman when we say if you get one pikin. For person to bring
3 boys.
I don't know.
Guys.
I'm not trying to take that, but I don't know.
Good boys. But even though say the person is not good to you, if you say this person is not feeling fine, first of all you come, you relax. You don't even ask us who you be. How una dey? Nothing.
That is the reward for him. Let him go.
Papa, this one is no.
No, that is he
This
has taken.
particular
He has
one-
taken his reward.
Jesus.
Let's see the other ones too. The other two.
You know when Papa tell me say na boys,
Yeah, they are both.
I say no, na trouser go wear.
Like this.
And he don't tell me say one, they dey stay for Ejigbo. I say people wey dey come from that place,
We call
head no
Felix
dey
too.
correct.
We call Felix too. Let's see what Isaac and Felix go do.
Yes.
So
I beg you.
You know people pay me pass. You know say this guy we don't
This
call
one
am.
na-
I know they wait for her phone since morning. Waiting time they talk now.
Almost fine. Go dey go
Almost
house
fine.
now. Go dey go house. Go call those ones tomorrow. Those ones number no even go. Na this one number go. They call am since yesterday. He tell say they come today. Your papa no where. Your papa no where. You come here. Wetin na wetin dey find sef? Wetin say you dey find? Can you imagine?
Waiting.
Are they okay?
let him come. We see.
So if you know dey here na so you go find ATM go collect money. They know your pin.
He was playing on himself. How can he know my pin? I'm not a fool to that extent. So he was.
This
he
kind
was-
of
Let me don't know the people before they answer.
What? This kind of children no dey carry them go bank
He
o.
want to go
Make dem no even know your signature.
He want to go and give it to his former man.
Papa get up, no worry, they're not he's not coming back here. Can you imagine?
Mama, I don't tire.
I don't tire. See here where they try cover where they dey now.
That's their way.
Jesus.
But okay, Papa, like they be the day rude like this to you, even when their mom they are.
No wonder you say you want to do
No, it's
this.
after their mother's death.
Okay, now
start all this nonsense.
You know, say they don't feel they do like this. Their mama would they calm them down. You know, those kind of
Their
thing.
mama died now. They start.
And maybe their mother died.
The man gave better mind. For say you want to give you property.
They don't know
You
now.
cannot give somebody like this.
No, maybe they are thinking they have nothing to lose. One man, and he's an old man, they can do anything they want. The one where they pay me, this one don't even come, he don't even think, he don't even say, how are you? How you there? Boom!
They are reward to pay it.
That means they have been pretending when the
One leka.
Yes.
Now one leka now.
That's the reward for them.
Here.
Anybody that do good, we will say good. The one that do bad, we take bad.
Jesus.
That is the exam.
Okay,
Can you
guys.
see?
Okay, guys. It's already late. It's 5:30. So we're going till tomorrow. We'll come for. What's their name?
We'll try to reach out to them now.
We'll call today now. We'll call two of them. The number is not going. The other one is doing busy. The other one number no dey at all. So guys, just stay tuned. Who are we expecting tomorrow, sir?
We are expecting Isaac and Felice.
So Isaac and Felice. Now wow, wait. Now this one, I stop and pass all of them. Abi those
And
ones.
this one is the church. Now it is small among them.
Can I tell this one?
Among them.
He moaned you.
Mama, I got the paper. You know,
Sorry. Okay, guys.
Thank you.
Stay tuned. It's okay, sir.
Thank you.
It's okay.
Thank you
So
very much.
waiting will happen. We'll go for today. We'll call them for tomorrow. Get ready for tomorrow, okay?
No problem.
I beg.
Yes.
Now
I
wow.
did.
Shebi, I say me you wear short. I say me you wear short nigga. We are trouser. Now boys from Ejibo won't deal with. All right, guys. Stay tuned. Now, if let's now this camera will focus. Since we focus for this one, guys, stay tuned on our next video. So guys, stay tuned on our next video. Because I don't know the camera we are going to use.